everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created this simple pink makeup look, which is perfect for school, for work, or even just sitting at home. I hope you enjoy, I hope it's helpful, and if you like this video don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe for more. Now let's get on to the video. Concealer that I'm using is lately my absolute favorite, is the Eraser by Maybelline in the shade Warm Light. I like to use concealer in my T-zone and cover any blemishes. For my foundation, I'm using the NYX Born to Glow in the shade Porcelain. With my foundation, I like to first apply it with my fingers and then blend it with a beauty sponge. Don't forget about the neck. As for my powder, I have chosen the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade 001 Transparent. And again, the same with foundation, don't forget about the neck. The powder is very important to set your makeup and stop the foundation from being sticky to the touch. For my bronzer, I have chosen my ultimate favorite bronzer, which is When the Sun Don't Shine by COIO. Unfortunately, it's sold out and never coming back. So if you have any bronzer recommendations, please let me know in the comments. I need a new bronzer. Now one of my favorite parts, which is highlighter. For over a year I've been obsessed with this highlighter. I use it every single day, and it's the Cookie highlighter by Benefit. For this look, I decided to choose a single shadow. I have chosen the middle pink shadow from the Sweet Glow Pixi palette. For my brows, I am using the Gimme Brow by Benefit. So as you can probably tell, I'm not a big brow person, so I do a bare minimum. For eyeliner, I'll be using the I Do Liquid Eyeliner by Eyeko London. With eyeliner, it's really important to take your time because you don't want to end up with uneven or just too much eyeliner. And of course, we can't forget about the mascara. For this makeup, I have chosen the Bang Mascara by Benefit. I love how my eyelashes look when I use it. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know down below in the comments. And the last touch is the lipstick. I have chosen the L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Moka Chic, number 633. And that'll be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, click a like. To see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe and click that notifications bell to be informed of all my new videos coming up. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.